Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the complete manufacturing module of the ERP system. We will cover everything from bill of materials, production stages, non-inventory items, ad production, production tracking, production lots and packing management. So let's get started. First we have the list boom section. To open it, go to production, then list boom. Here you can view all the existing bills of materials. This table contains boom name, product name, category, unit, quantity, stock method and the user who created the boom. User the search option, you can quickly find a specific boom. You can also edit existing booms or create a new one using the plus button. A boom basically defines which raw materials and production stages are required to manufacture a product. Now let's create a new boom. Go to production, then create boom. First enter boom name, product, category, unit, production quantity and stock method. Next comes the raw material section. Here we add raw material, unit price, consumption quantity. The system automatically calculates the total cost. Below that we have the production stages. Here we define stages like preparation, cooking, packaging. We can also define the duration for each stage. Finally, click submit to save the boom. This helps standardize the manufacturing process and improves production tracking. Now, next is the production stage section. This feature is used to create manufacturing stages, for example, preparation, mixing, cooking, packaging. Simply enter the stage name and click submit. These stages are later can be used while creating booms. Now let's look at the non-inventory items. Go to add non-inventory. These are items that are not physically tracked in inventory but still contribute to production cost. Example, electricity, gas, labor cost, machinery usage. Simply enter the item name and save it. This helps include indirect production expenses in manufacturing calculations. Now, we move to the main production process. Here we initiate manufacturing using a predefined boom. Fill in reference number, production type, status, start date, boom, quantity, batch number and expiry date. Once we click go, the system automatically fetches the required raw material from the selected boom. After production, inventory gets updated, batch tracking is maintained, and production records are created. This ensures accurate stock and production management. Next is the list production screen. Here you can monitor all ongoing and completed production. This screen shows reference number, start date, completion date, remaining time, total production time, and production status. The status bar visually shows production progress. This section is useful for monitoring delays, tracking progress, and managing production efficiency. Now, let's check the production lot section. This section stores batch-wise production records. For each lot, we can view raw material used, unit cost, consumption quantity, total cost, total production value, date and time. By expanding the lot number, we can see details material breakdown. This feature is extremely used for batch tracking, cost analysis, inventory planning, and quality control. Finally, we have the packaging module. This feature manages the final packaging process after production. Here we select production or lot number, product, quantity, packaging type, packaging cost, date and time. After saving, the system records packaged product and including packaging cost in the final product pricing. This helps in better cost analysis, batch-wise packaging tracking, and delivery readiness. So this was a complete overview of the manufacturing module. We covered boom creation, production management, production tracking, lots management, and packaging workflow. This module helps businesses streamline their entire manufacturing process efficiently. Thank you for watching the video.